Chris Hadnagy, CEO and founder of Social Engineer LLC, here with your 60-second social engineering tip. Happy Monday, everyone. I don't know about you, but I'm tired. I feel like I'm overworking, always stressed, and moving at 100 miles an hour. How about you? Now, why do I bring this up? When you're feeling tired or stressed, it's the perfect time for attackers to get you to do something that you shouldn't do. Click a link, answer a call, just do something that makes you a little bit more insecure or even breachable. If you're feeling that way today, you're sitting here feeling a little bit of stress, feeling a little bit of anxiety, feeling tired, take a moment. Step away from your desk, step away from all the screens, put it down, go outside, get some fresh air, take a couple deep breaths, maybe go for a short walk, do some push-ups, whatever it is, clear your mind and de-stress just for a few minutes, and you'll find that it will help you with critical thinking and staying safe. Hope this tip helps you. Go check out social-engineer.com and see you tomorrow. Have a great day.